was this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his finger. A very pretty girl, with his world, and all that she was killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly. I can feel the raging with his song. He sang as if he knew me. In all my darkest rolling girl, come on girl. And then he looked like through me, as if I wasn't there. And then he kept on singing, singing clear and strong, strumming my pain with his fingers. A very pretty girl in my life with his words, and all that she was singing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life. Video to te kare. Killing me softly.
Kare ko na mama to teru ka.
With his song. I felt a flush with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read each one aloud. And then he kept on singing, and singing clear and strong, strumming my pain with his fingers on very pretty, singing my life with his words, and all that she was lonely, lonely. I can see the night sky, telling my whole life. I can hear the breeze killing me softly with his song. Nawara na ang mga singer.
Mano, itong model California, itong bago.
Ayun, Dave,
Ito kay halo gitar lang nila.
Kailan ko yan? Makalikot ang to yan.
Nandito kami ni Uncle Cherry.